Role of genetics in unexplained infertility and recurrent miscarriages. Karyotyping, a very basic and important investigation, helps you see under the chromosome the shape of a chromosome, the size of the chromosome, and even the number of chromosome. Like here you can make out number 21, 3, that is trisomy. And trisomy means this is a case of Down syndrome. 21 chromosome trisomy. Now, many times there is translocation where part of a chromosome breaks and joins another chromosome. Now, translocation is picked up well on karyotyping. Now, such a translocation may be balanced. What do you mean by balanced? Part of, for example, this chromosome breaks and joins this chromosome, and from here it joins this. Now, it may not be same amount of exchange between the two between the two chromosomes, but still it is called balance because the total genetic material in the cell remains same. It doesn't change. Just take this example. This is a person with 50 rupees in one and 50 in other pocket. So total amount of genetic material you can say here is like 100. Yes. Now if a person, this person transfers from one pocket to another pocket. For example, he has transferred 20 rupees. So here it is 70 and here it is 30. So this is a balanced translocation. The overall amount remains 100. Fine. Now in karyotyping there is a staining method, and after that there is study, and this study is referred to as G banding. And in G banding what can happen, and through G banding what we do, we are able to make out whether the chromosome, which may have a normal length only, has parts from other chromosome or not. For example, in this case, here you could make out that by the color you could make out that this is from other chromosome. G banding doesn't have such colors, but it has various shades of gray, and G banding is like a barcode, and a change in that barcode pattern will tell you that, oh, this part doesn't belong to this particular chromosome, it is from other chromosome. So it can help you to pick up translocation. In Philadelphia chromosome, a part of chromosome 9 attaches to chromosome 22, and part of chromosome 22 attaches to chromosome 9. Now, this exchange of material between the two chromosomes is not exact. Chromosome 22 looks shorter than normal and 9 looks slightly longer than normal. Now, this is a balanced translocation. Why? Because overall genetic material in the cell remains same. It doesn't change. Now, most of these cases of balanced translocation don't cause any disease in the person having it. However, as in case of Philadelphia chromosome and few other cases, balanced translocation can be harmful. Philadelphia chromosome can lead to chronic myeloid leukemia and in some cases even acute myeloid leukemia. Now, the real problem with balanced translocation comes when the child is born. The child born can have unbalanced translocation. Let us see this case. Here you can make out this person with 100 rupees has 50 in each pocket and does not have any translocation. This has 30 in one and 70 in the other pocket. So overall, both these persons, they have 100, but here you can see there is balanced translocation. 30 in one and 70 in other. So what has happened? 50 from here has shifted 20 rupees to this, leading to 70, and 30 in this one. Now, what happens if this person marries this female? Both have normal pattern, so there is no problem. But what happens if this person marries a female here who is normal? Now, 50 in a child comes from here, and from this person with a balanced translocation, it may be either 30 or 70, and in both the cases, it will lead to unbalanced translocation. So what will happen with unbalanced translocation? With unbalanced translocation, the effect will be that either this child may not be born, leading to miscarriage, or if it is born, it may have congenital anomalies. So when do you suspect balanced translocation in parents? When there is recurrent miscarriages, 2 or more. A previous child is there which has chromosomal abnormality. There is infertility and you cannot make out the cause. Strong family history of miscarriages or anomalies, and unexplained developmental delay in a child. So you should note that parents are usually healthy when they have balanced translocation, except in few cases like Philadelphia chromosome. Suspicion comes from family history or pregnancy history. That's all. Thank you.